For this DIY, I'll be using a hard foam board that comes in a trifold board, and I've cut them into size, and I'm going to be gluing two large sizes together to make it thick for this project. I made two of this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is cut out an oval shape at both ends. I'm making a tabletop for this DIY, and I'm going to be holding both of the pieces that I have made together with a cutout strip of a trifold board that I got from Walmart. Before I put the second part of the table, I'm going to fortify the inside with pieces of cardboard. This space here was left in case I make up my mind about a drawer that I would like to put inside. I had used this tabletop for another project, and it was a vanity table, and the middle part that you see that's open was supposed to be for a drawer, which I never really installed. But I'm going to share with you guys how I made the tabletop because I'm going to be using the exact same table again for this project. When I was done, I covered up the sides with white poster board. I'll be covering this table with gold embellishments, starting with gold thin bar strips that I got from Amazon, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below for those of you who want it. And it comes in 10 pieces and it's self-adhesive. This little strip here from the mirror mosaic tiles was already there from the other project, so I'm just going to leave that there and still go ahead to attach the little gold bar strips. These have protective films on them, and I'm going to take them off when I'm done with the project. Because this tabletop is really wide, I just want to give an illusion of a drawer, even if it's not going to be there. So I'm just going to get the midpoint to create a space for a little knob that will make it look like it's a drawer. I'll be using Dollar Tree confetti and then using two of the golden light colors and mix them together. And then I'll be using Mod Podge as the adhesive that I'll use to attach this to pieces of contact paper that I have cut that will be attached to the table. Now, because I know that the design has just little places that I have to cover up with this, I decided to just take this route so that it will be less messy and so much easier for me. I let it dry for a bit, and now because it's self-adhesive, all I did was just to remove the paper at the back and then attach it onto the table. The little piece for the middle part here, I made a little hole in the middle that's going to be for the knob, and I got this knob from a pack of knobs that I bought from Home Goods, and it will be attached to this using a strong adhesive. The top of what I've just made here is rough, so I'm going to have two Dollar Tree foam boards attached together and then covered up with marble contact paper, and then I'll cut it to size and then glue it on to the top. I'll be using trash cans for the legs of this table, and I came across beautiful gold-plated trash cans in a decor store that's called At Home. This is hard plastic, but then the outer gold that's on this is really catchy, and I just had to use it for the project. I got 4 of the trash cans, and I'll be gluing 2 together, and I'll let them set for a bit, and then attach them to the tabletop. This is what it looks with the marble that I have on top of it. And for now, I'll be having this table just beneath the TV in my living room. I'm gonna have 2 ottomans beneath this table, but because they have not arrived yet, I'll be using this mirror table that I had made, and this is just the base for the table. Now I will leave a link below for the full tutorial video for those of you who want to know how I use Dollar Tree items to create this beautiful piece. Today's DIY was made in gold, and the trash cans that I used for the base of the table that I made inspired me to go with gold embellishments to decorate this table with, and it made the overall look turn out pretty. The top of this table was used for a previous project in my other apartment, and this is how it looked. And it was used for vanity, and I will leave a link for this DIY vanity down in the description box below. I've had visitors walk into my home asking where I purchased this table from, and it's hard for them to even see that I had 2 trash cans glued together for the base, but I guess it's because the trash cans themselves have a gold catchy look. I really love how this DIY turned out, and I want to thank you all so much for watching. Now, I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button